Everyone's talking about ChatGPT for cloud and GTCs. At which one is actually better? Today, I'm testing both AI using the same prompt side by side to see which gives the best result for writers, coders, and content creators. Some of these results genuinely surprised me. Stick around for the scoreboard at the end. I'm going to bring the two AIs on board. So the first one is Claude AI. And this is the second one. This is the ChatGPT. So we are going to see which one is the best among these two. So as we all know, we know ChatGPT very well. And we know that it's being made by OpenAI. And you see, it is built to do a bit of everything. Let's say chat, generate images, talk to you with voice, browse the web, and connect to a massive ecosystem of plugins. And if you talk about instruments, ChatGPT, for instance, it gives fast responses. And it's also a native image generation, voice mode, quick plugin app ecosystem strong for quick everyday tasks. But it has a weakness. It can still produce confidence sounding wrong answers, and as of this year, ads have started showing up inside responses. So the card is made by Anthropic and is built around a different philosophy. Think carefully, respond clearly, and handle complex or long material without losing the thread. So Gint Claude is excellent in writing qualities from reasoning, handle long document extremely well. So not as easy response to, but it also has a weakness. Yes, it doesn't generate native images. You see, it doesn't have any voice mode. See, so you could say that now we have a brief about both of them. Now we are going to go to see if you put in any prompt, the result that we will be getting from each of them. So I'm going to put in something here. So for instance, this is Cloud and I'm telling it to a professional email requesting a date of. So I'll give the same thing to ChatGPT. So let's go. Okay, as we can see, both of them are generating analysts. Okay, so as you can see, Cloud and finish generating is and Erica Ridge. Okay, I eventually want to go with the second prompt, but now that ChatGPT is back with this on. So let's go with the second prompt, right? We are in for the second prompt, so we are going to give them the same thing to do. Can you see what will happen? Ping, ping. Okay. Well, this one, ChatGPT has made it. Okay. Okay, so you can see clearly the time of responses. With the simple calculator, you can see that ChatGPT has made it quick, faster, but Claude AI is still on it, but let's wait for it. So we are going to preview and see how the ChatGPT generated calculator looks like. Okay, so this is what ChatGPT is able to give us. So you can see you can use it. So in is what ChatGPT had generated for us. Okay, okay, okay. So let's wait for Cloud AI to finish. Okay. You could see this is the ChatGPT generated calculator. So now Claude is also done. So Claude is also done. AI is also done, but when you want to compare this one and this one, you automatically see which one is the best. Let's move to the tech phone. So you can see the answer that the cloud is giving us, and you can also see the answer that ChatGPT is giving us about quantum computing. Okay, so let's go to the fourth round. So we are going to give them the fourth round one. So they are to generate pen written with your ideas. As you can see, ChatGPT gave faster response. You can see that both of them are giving out their answers. Let's go to the last one. Okay, so to give my scoreboard, when it's about writing, you will give it to Claude. Claude is the best. When it's about coding, you still give it to Claude. But when it's about image generation, you will give it to ChatGPT. When it's about research, you will give it to ChatGPT. And when it's about content creation, you will give it to Claude. When it's about productivity, you will give it to ChatGPT. So you could see that both of them, they are very useful. So it's very hard to determine which one is best. Okay, so after comparing them, we could see that, and if you write code or you work with a long document, you have to choose Claude AI. And you see, at the same time, if you want to with image generation and voice and the biggest blogging ecosystem, you have to choose ChatGPT. So you could say that both of them, they are strong in their own way. So it's difficult to say which one is the best, depending on what you want to do and what you need them for. By the way, which one do you actually use, Cloud or ChatGPT? Drop it in the comments. Like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more honest tech breakdown from FutureByte.